The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a slimmer and lighter design, making it more comfortable to hold. With rounded corners and a reduced thickness of 8.2 millimeters, it offers a sleek and ergonomic grip, enhancing user experience while maintaining its robust titanium frame. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, the Galaxy S25 Ultra delivers a 40% faster NPU, enabling advanced AI capabilities. From natural language processing to content-aware suggestions, this device enhances multitasking and personalizes user interactions like never before. Capture stunning landscapes with the new 50-meg ultrawide camera on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Equipped with next-gen AI Pro Visual Engine, it enhances image quality and offers 10-bit HDR video recording by default, setting a new standard for mobile photography. The iPhone 16 Pro's triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and a 48-megapixel ultrawide. This setup offers versatile shooting options with enhanced detail and incredible low-light performance. With USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2, the iPhone 16 Pro supports faster data transfers and display output capabilities. You can connect external displays and even record 3D spatial video for a more immersive experience. Powered by the A18 Pro chip, the iPhone 16 Pro delivers a performance boost with a hexa-core CPU and 6-core GPU. This enables smoother multitasking, efficient power management, and next-gen ray tracing for superior gaming experiences. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra versus iPhone 16 Pro. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a massive 6.9 inches, giving you a truly immersive experience, while the iPhone 16 Pro comes in at a more compact 6.3 inches. If you crave larger visuals, the S25 Ultra is your go-to. When it comes to photography, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra takes the crown with its astonishing 200-megapixel main camera, offering incredible detail and versatility. The iPhone 16 Pro, with its 48-megapixel camera, delivers stunning images, but can't quite match the sheer power of the S25 Ultra's sensor. For those who need space, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra offers up to 1 terabyte of internal storage with 16 gigabytes of RAM, making it perfect for heavy multitaskers. In contrast, the iPhone 16 Pro maxes out at 1 terabyte but only has 8 gigabytes of RAM. More RAM means smoother performance, and the S25 Ultra wins here. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a jaw-dropping resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels, providing sharper images and vibrant colors. The iPhone 16 Pro, with a resolution of 1206 by 261022 pixels, still looks great, but falls short in pixel density compared to the S25 Ultra. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the octa-core Snapdragon 8 Elite, promising top-tier performance. The iPhone 16 Pro's A18 Pro chip is also impressive, but the S25 Ultra's architecture allows for more power in demanding tasks. With a robust 5,000 mAh battery, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra ensures you stay powered throughout the day. The iPhone 16 Pro's 35.7 mAh battery is decent, but may leave you reaching for the charger sooner than you'd like. More battery means more freedom. Both devices feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera, but the iPhone 16 Pro includes OIS for steadier shots. While the S25 Ultra offers solid selfies, the iPhone edges ahead with its optical stabilization, ensuring your self-portraits are always on point. Both the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro feature premium glass fronts and backs with titanium frames. However, the S25 Ultra's Corning Gorilla Armor 2 offers enhanced durability, making it the more rugged option for those who lead an active lifestyle. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is IP68 rated for dust and water resistance up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes, while the iPhone 16 Pro can withstand depths of up to 6 meters for the same duration. If you're looking to take your phone on underwater adventures, the iPhone has the edge. Equipped with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is designed for high performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro's A18 Pro chip is equally powerful, but the S25 Ultra's chipset offers more flexibility for gaming and multitasking. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra features a stunning dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, capable of 120Hz refresh rates for ultra-smooth scrolling. The iPhone 16 Pro's LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED also supports 120Hz, but the Samsung's peak brightness of 2600 nits is hard to beat. The S25 Ultra's ultra-strong titanium frame ensures durability, while the iPhone 16 Pro's dynamic island adds a unique touch to notifications. Both displays are impressive, but the S25 Ultra's build quality gives it a slight advantage in terms of resilience. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can shoot 8K video at 30 FPS, offering unmatched clarity for videographers. The iPhone 16 Pro, while capable of 4K video up to 120 FPS, simply can't compete with the S25 Ultra's video capabilities for those looking to capture high-resolution footage. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra comes packed with features like Samsung DeX and Space Zoom, enhancing your user experience. The iPhone 16 Pro offers unique features like 3D spatial video audio and emergency SOS, but for versatility, the S25 Ultra stands out. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at $1,300, while the iPhone 16 Pro is priced at $1,099. While the iPhone is slightly cheaper, the S25 Ultra's features may justify the extra cost for those seeking the best of the best.